Today, I'm just gonna show you something, and hopefully get it correct. And we're testing it out with, Hydra leader. Hydra leader. And then you have to use, Blizzard to do it, unless, actually maybe something else, but I think only Blizzard you can use it. Okay, let me get him back in his place. There. Okay, use tornado flight. Oh, wait. I'm stuck. Okay, I can't let him do that. Okay, stuck, that's good. And then you it's hard to see, but oh no. Because if I try to make it easy to see, it'd not work. Tornado flight! Okay, if you go right here, it's on the, I don't know, one of this, so, yeah, do you see it, right, either the first or second one? I think the second one's the best, and then you just, do that, and then he just gets stuck, and then he keeps on getting hit. Oh, yeah. So, technically, it's an infinite thing if you do it correctly, and I, messed up there. I should probably be getting the quest, because I'm not that different of a Stop using that move. It's very annoying, kid. Bullet train. Hi, I'm doing a video right now. A short one.
What video?
Nothing.
Tell me how, so I can sponsor myself inside.
No. So it's basically it, and if you get it correct, then you can just easily kill him.
Make sure to like and subscribe to me.
No, just like and subscribe to me, please. Thank you for watching this video.